Hey guys, how are you? Craig here from Out There Touring. So, something a bit different. Got away from the Newcastle Hunter Valley area, travelled a few hours southwest and over the Blue Mountains up to Turon. So we've just arrived, or just coming in out of the State Forest, Turon State Forest, and we're heading down to our campgrounds. Sun's starting to go down already. So let's get to camp. So, come out to a new spot. Never been out here before. Heard all about it. Just got out near Lithgow, Mudgee. A couple of 100 kilometres from Newcastle, and on the western side of the Blue Mountains from Sydney. So I've heard about this spot for a while now, and been in contact with Richard. You've seen him before in some of my videos. But there's some seriously beautiful country out here. We came around the back way over the Blue Mountains, try to miss most of Sydney traffic, so we come through Richmond, Windsor, couple of those beautiful little townships. Unfortunately, coming across the top of the Blue Mountains, a lot of it was only single lane, so we couldn't actually pull over and capture a lot of it on the cameras. So we're going to be staying at Woolshed Flats.
Oh, there's another little one over there.
So we've just pulled up here at this campground. It's going to be cooking dinner in the dark again. Daylight savings is finished. The sun's already starting to hide behind the mountain range. We're on a river here. So I'll just go for a quick little walk down there. Go for a swim in the morning. It's going to be a bit fresh, but just seen some kangaroos just in here a minute ago, but they've already run. But how beautiful is this, and how quiet. And before I start cooking, that's going to have to happen real quick. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed or taken the time to watch. Please leave a comment, let me know where you're from. I'm getting subscribers, I believe, from America and England and South Africa. Let me know where you guys are from, where you're watching, and I'll try to bring you some more Australian content. People in Australia, I'll try to pinpoint a little bit better our exact locations. So I know after I've been watching the videos over the last couple of weeks that I just say, oh, I'm up, you know, in the Wadigans or whatever. A lot of you might know where the Wadigans are, so I will try to put more emphasis on exact locations. Anyway, going to start this fire, get it started, and dinner. There will be a cook-up Tuesday night. Let's see how we go with tonight's cook-up. Righto guys, so that's dinner done. As I said, fairly simple dinner tonight, but first of all I need another drink. We're somewhere in here at Turon National Park. I believe our plan is today to make our way to Nunes. So just a map overall, just so people get an idea. So Sydney is here, and we're currently somewhere out in this region. The way we've come in from the Central Coast, there's Gosford. We've come down to Hornsby. Then we've come through the back way, Windsor, Richmond, Currajong, Bilpin, on the Bells Liner Road, past the Zigzag Railway, into Lithgow, and then out to where we currently are. So I hope that gives you a little idea of how we've got here. Have a look at this beautiful old tree. Some of you might be wondering, when you need to do your business, where do you go? So I've got this foldable toilet, and that's how it sets up. Could you imagine a better location just to sit and unwind, have breakfast, bacon, egg and cheese roll? This is what it's all about. Put the hard yards in at work, you buy your equipment, whatever that be. It could be just a swag, whatever suits your needs, and then you put the kilometres in, get out here and find these locations. This is not a secret location by any means, but first time I've been here, and I'll definitely come back here. We're not going to get to see the whole area and everything this area has to offer. We're not going to get to see that today or tomorrow. We'll see probably a small chunk, which means there will be a return trip here. Anyway guys, I'm going to have breakfast now, so Right, plans changed. It's horrendous up there, so we're going to go a different route. Richard got a third of the way up, and yeah, just slipping. It gets worse the further you go up. You can see Richard just rolling back then. We don't want to get all the way or near the top, not be able to do it, and try to find our way back down. So we're playing safe and spin back around and find another track. We were going to try to go across to Portland area via the Pinnacles Fire Trail. As you see, we went through that gate, first incline. It's pretty chewed up in that. Richard got a third of the way up. He was losing traction, had one wheel off the ground, then we had two wheels, just couldn't quite get the traction needed. Further up the hill it looked worse, and I believe there's another hill further on which is generally worse than what this one was. We're a long way from home. It's not worth damaging your car and not being able to get home. So made the call, we'll just use the normal trail. I'm not here to bash the crap out of my car and see how much it will do or won't do. The car was built to get me from point A to point B so I can enjoy the outdoors. Yes, I don't mind doing a few little tracks and a bit of fun, but I'm not here to get a couple of $1,000 repair bill. Anyway, we're going to find another trail, take another track, see where we end up. We're still going to end up at the same location, just going to go a different way about it. Righto guys, just going to finish the video up there. If you are new to my channel, go back and have a look at some of the previous videos. Leave comments, like, share, subscribe. Thanks again guys, travel safely.